Start by sliding the axle into place. Next, slide each rear drive motor over the rear axle. Make sure to differentiate the front wheels from the rear wheels. Slide the wheel and the hubcap over the axle. Place a washer and a locknut onto the rear axle. Only finger tight at this point. Make sure to tighten the locknut on each rear wheel at the same time. Slide the front wheel and hubcap onto the front axle. Next, insert a washer followed by a locknut. Then tighten each front wheel individually. Slide the front bumper into place, lining up each hole, then secure with the provided Phillips screws. The seat will simply slide into place. The rear roll bars snap into place. The front windshield bar also snaps into place. Each hubcap will pop into its corresponding holes. Connect the steering wheel cable, then slide the steering wheel over the steering rod. Once the steering wheel is in place, secure the steering wheel to the steering rod with the provided nut and bolt. Power the vehicle on, then hold the pair button to bind the remote to the vehicle. Assembly is now complete. Thank you for watching.